All right, let's get this sorted away and up and running. Hey, thanks for joining us today. Today, we are going to be unpackaging and doing a quick little test on this. It is a DG40S Bluetooth USB adapter. Now, I bought this for something I need to test for work, but I figured, hey, let's test it with something else and see how well it works and go from there. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to do a little quick unpackaging here. It pretty much came in a bubble wrap envelope from Amazon. Nothing exciting. Cut it open, and this is what we got. So let's open this bad boy up here. I don't mind about ripping stuff because it's always fun to rip. Let's just rip that open. There we go. So what do we get in here? Pretty straightforward, nothing really exciting. We have, oh, there's the dongle. Pops right at the back there. So we have the dongle. Let's put that there. Covering, $5 offer. Exclusive offer. We'll check that out later. And of course, your instruction manual, which is really not that hard to figure out, but okay, just in case people need instructions, and that's a heck of a lot of instructions for a simple plug and play, but okay. So we have the instructions. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take our little USB dongle here. And we're just going to plug it into a standard, it's not a USB 3, it's just a standard USB. Let's just plug this in here and see whether or not Windows 10 has it pop up right away. Negative on that. It says, no, I don't like you. Try a different port. And that is a no-go. So let's bring it over to a USB 3. Let's bring it over here. Sorry, USB 3. Let's see how well this works. Turn this on. Plug it in. Well, isn't that just wonderful? We have nothing showing up. Let's check out Device Manager here. Let's see what Device Manager has to say. Whether or not it's recognizing anything. Okay. Generic Bluetooth radio. Interesting. So let me actually remove this. See what goes away. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my included into my motherboard one, just to avoid confusion. No, I'm not restarting my computer, but thank you. Okay, so let's plug this one in. Generic. So maybe we do need the instructions after all. For pre-installed Windows and some, there's no need to install any drivers. Really, wait about 10 seconds. If no Bluetooth icon, reboot your PC. That's funny. Okay. Well, what is your argument? Well, damn it, man. Let's just search for drivers automatically. You do know that rebooting a computer is not always an option, right? This is one thing I think that see, I don't want to do that. And for some reason, it's kicked the crap out of my computer. Okay, well, we do see it's actually seen by the actual device, by Windows, which is good. So that much we can part from, and we'll just look over at the computer now and try to figure this part out. Frankly, this is supposed to be a quick video, and I just want to get in and out. So I'm going to go with the recommended settings, as silly as that is. And of course it recommends, hey, reboot your computer. So let's do a quick little reboot and then go from there. You know, because that's what it says it wants. I'll keep it happy. And look, these are installed. And look at that, after the reboot, everything appears to be installed. Okay, so the next question is that can we actually pair something to the device easily enough? Because if it's a simple matter of plug it in and reboot, okay, excellent enough, that's good. But I'm also curious about one thing. So remember we had it into the USB 1 port before? So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to plug this into the USB 1 again. Taking it from a 3, I'm going to put it over to the 1, see if it still works. No sir, I don't like it. Alright, so, which is weird because I have to use it in another device, so I'm going to put it back into 3. Yes, sir. All right, likes that. All right, we're gonna take it over to the computer and pair a headset. Okay, and we're back. So this is what we're gonna do is now we're gonna try to pair. Now, earlier on during this whole process, I disabled my onboard Bluetooth, as you can see here. You know, I don't want to have any conflicts. This is the Bluetooth radio that we're using, so I want to make sure it pairs the right device as well. So what I'm actually going to pair is a Aftershocks jawbone type conductive headset. So pretty straightforward. We're just going to turn on the headset. Okay. Now we are going to headset's turned on. For nothing, let's put the headset into pairing mode. There we go. There is our Airsoft. And beautiful. We are connected. Easy peasy. That takes care of that. So, thank you very much for watching this video. As far as this adapter goes, the DG40S. If you've enjoyed this video and found it informative, by all means, hit like, hit notification, subscribe if you haven't, to see more reviews coming down the road. Because we have a lot of videos that we're going to be making with regards to products that we come across that we find you might find useful. Again, thanks for watching.